Welcome to Platinum Powersports. I'm going to give you some tips on getting your motorcycle ready for riding season. Check your tires! Check your tires! Check your tires!
Every riding season, we see many motorcycles with dangerously low inflated tires. And when I ask the customer when the last time they checked their tires, well, you put them on last August. Check them once a week for maximum fuel efficiency, tire life, handling, and safety.
Here's your first thing for your scavenger hunt. Find the data tag on the frame.
There's very good information on this data tag, especially the tire inflation pressures. Don't go by what's on the sidewall of the tire, go by what's on the frame of the motorcycle.
Check your wheels.
Look for loose or broken spokes. Also inspect your cast wheels for damage.
Whoa, check your brakes!
Check for pad material, check your rotors, check for leaks, check all your braking system, making sure it is ready to go. Or stop.
Sniff out your air filter.
Check your filter, see if it's dirty, check for degradation, and also check that mice aren't living in there.
Dirty air filters make me sad. Look at your battery connections, if you have them.
Make sure your connections are clean, tight, and your battery isn't obviously deformed or leaking.
Check your final drive.
Make sure your belt is not worn or frayed or cracked. Your belt tension is correct. Your chain is not kinked or rusted, and its chain tension is correct as well. Or if you got a shaft drive bike, check your final drive oil level and make sure it's not leaking.
Inspect your engine oil level.
Some bikes have a dipstick, some have a window. See your owner's manual for how to check your engine oil level.
Check your tires! Check your tires! Check your tires!
Not only do you check the pressure of your tires, but you check your tires for condition, cracking, slices, tread depth. Make sure they are good. You've only got two.
Hey, how's the coolant in there?
No coolant in this bike, but we can check our fins and make sure they're not clogged out with dirt. This bike has coolant, so we're going to check the level.
Are the bars tight? Because if it's not tight, it's not right. Are the shocks leaking? Check the fork seals too. Check all the lights and the horn. After all that, it's time to road test. Now, how to ride this thing? When in doubt, throttle it out. But that's just what I heard.